Wow. Are you feeling lost in this real estate market? I don't blame you. It's unbelievable out there. Trying to find a home and at a reasonable price, it's been very difficult. But we might have a solution. Follow me. So welcome to Newport News at 1870 U Street, right in the heart of Kitsilano. This is a spectacular one-bedroom, totally renovated. It's absolutely spectacular. We're gonna show you this cozy condo right after this. So welcome to number 18 at 1870 U Street, right in the heart of Kitsilano. This is a very, very cozy one bedroom, and it has been totally gutted and totally renovated. They spent about $80,000 here. Have a look at this kitchen. We have marble countertops, all brand new cabinets, all brand new high-end Miele appliances, and self-closing drawers. It's spectacular. One thing that opens up this suite on the main floor is this large opening from the kitchen looking into the living room and dining room area. Living room, dining room, nice and cozy. Fabulous, unique wood-burning fireplace. The best thing is to burn Presto logs. They're a lot cleaner, that's for sure, but very, very nice. And off the living room, dining room, we also have a small balcony. So we're on the second floor, which has the master bathroom, storage, and we're in the master bedroom. And as you can see, this is pretty cozy also. And look at all the light here. And if you look out the window, you actually have a water view. We are in the master bathroom. As you can see, it's been totally gutted and renovated. In behind this curtain is the laundry, washer and dryer, both high-end Bosch, very nice appliances. This place is spectacular. I know I say that a lot, but it's just everyone that sees it wants to buy it and live here. Another added feature to this spectacular condo is this really cool, quiet courtyard. Lots of people come down here to read or even just chill out when it's even raining out. So that was a tour of 1870 U Street, right in the heart of Kitsilano. We sure hope you enjoyed that tour, and right now we're going to go for an area tour and we're going to show you how spectacular the neighborhood is, and I'll show you why I love this area so much. Kitsilano is mostly low-rise buildings for the most part. So therefore, it's not as congested. And as you can see, as we walk down West 3rd, how quiet it is today. So walking here is extremely pleasurable. It's just a beautiful, beautiful area and neighborhood. One of the great things about living in Kitsilano in this location at 1870 U Street is that you're only a half a block off of West 4th Avenue. And on West 4th Avenue is a major thoroughfare, but there is shops galore. Safeway is like 5 minutes away. Whole Foods is right across the street. Shoppers Drug Mart's right there. There's tons and tons of restaurants and places to eat. So the biggest draw when you live in Kitsilano is Kits Beach. It's the most iconic beach in all of Vancouver. And in the summertime, this place is a hive of activity. It is just packed. There's the Jericho Sailing Club down the way. You can rent paddle boards, sailboats, kayaks, Everything is at your doorstep right here. When you get down here, there's a whole bunch of tennis courts. The boathouse is right on the water now. Great location, big views, great food and good service. I could talk a lot about the beach, but I already have right up here. Check it out. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you loved the tour, you'll like the condo even more. Click the link below for more information. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call, email, or text us. Again, thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.